Tonight we're going to be staying in a luxury glamping tent here in El Nido in the Philippines. We are so excited to be here. So in our previous video, we went on a tour that took us to the Big Lagoon, which has been on our bucket list for quite some time. Like, we've been watching videos and videos and saying, oh my goodness, we want to go there, and we finally did it. And it was so beautiful. Like, the
best
drone
experience
footage,
ever.
We were just obsessed. It was incredibly beautiful. But we're also super glad to be able to experience this glamping. The tent here is, well, the tents are right up on the beach. They've got a little swimming pool, and it is just absolutely phenomenal. Inside of the tent, which we're going to give you a room tour just now, it's probably the biggest glamping tent I've ever stayed in, because we've done a couple in Thailand. We've done bubbles, which are quite cool, but this is just something else. So let's go and do a quick tour of the tent. So this is our tent. How incredible is this? So we're room number 15, and we're very close to the swimming pool, which is nice. Okay, we got a nice big entrance. Look at the size of this place. It is so cool. So we do have 2 beds. So this is going to be my bed, and that's going to be Jason's bed. So we've got these also cute little seats, which I actually low-key want one at home. They are so cute. Oh, look at that. It's so comfy. I think in the morning we're going to take these out onto the porch and have a cup of coffee. Yeah, I mean, what you see is pretty much it. So we do not have a bathroom attached to this tent. We do have a shared bathroom that is just probably not even a 1-minute walk just up the road. But we do have an AC in the room.
and the aircon works pretty well, like it's quite cold.
Nice and cold. We must say though, they hadn't put the aircon on when we came in originally, and it was a sauna in here.
Oh yeah,
it was just
really hot.
Dripping with sweat. We had to sit down on the floor and let the AC cool us down before we started vlogging. We got a little mini bar here. They even gave us complimentary drinks, which is quite nice. We've got our coffee station and another little chair. Okay, so bed test. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Like, actually, no, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna sit nicely, and so much space, so we don't have to fight and kick each other for space. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. This is the room. We're gonna head off now to the swimming pool to show you that, and then how beautiful. Show you guys how beautiful the beach is in front of this hotel. It is just phenomenal. The water is blue, 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 blue.
We're in the pool. It's a lovely day.
The sun's in my eyes, actually. Yeah, it's really nice. And they have a swim-up bar, which is really nice. It's very small, and there's no one here, which is nice, because I think everyone's on the beach at the moment.
Right, yeah.
Which we will be going to now, to be honest, because I'm thinking, how can we waste that beautiful beach right now?
Exactly.
Sitting in a swimming pool.
Yeah.
We just wanted a dip in, because I saw the sea there is a bit more choppy. It has like mini waves, and sometimes that means you just get sand everywhere. So I was like, oh, just need to cool off, and then we can head to the beach. Oh, but this is so nice.
Okay, we're gonna go check out the beach.
This way.
That way.
Yeah. So
you're gonna be shocked how pretty it's gonna look.
This is the shared bathrooms that we were talking about earlier. So this is the one that's closest to our room. Kind of just has a shower in there, and then a toilet on this side. Very simple.
Very easy and simple.
This is it. How amazing. Oh my goodness. the beach. Except for the car. Oh, this is so pretty. It looks so tropical with all the palm trees. Oh, and look at the color of the water. It's insane.
How long is this beach again?
Oh, I don't know, but it's ridiculous.
I think they said it's like something about 4 kilometers long. That is very long.
It goes all the way down there. Wow, no, this is a very, 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 very long beach. Wow. Phew.
How pretty. Such a long stretch of beach. Went for a swim in the ocean, and wow, it was lovely. It was so warm.
Yeah, it was fun also because there was quite a bit of waves actually. So
yeah, it was great. So we couldn't exactly carry on vlogging because our hands were wet, and we forgot our towels in the room. So we went back to dry up, and now we are walking back down to the beach again.
So we wanted to mention that this hotel is, well not a hotel, this glamping spot actually has like this Save the Turtle program. So behind me, well not behind me there, this way, just turn, there we go. So over there they've got like these little stations where they actually put, well they hatch eggs, turtle eggs, and I think it's March or April that they'll hatch and then they release them into the ocean, which is so cute. But also, if you go this way more, is they have the beachfront tents as well, which is really nice, but we got the garden view ones because they're I think a little bit more cheaper, even though this experience is just generally expensive. The garden one is a lot cheaper than the beachfront ones obviously, but still incredibly beautiful. To the stations, so over here we've got 90 eggs in here with August, and then we've got September and September again.
So behind us over here you'll see the restaurant for the glamping place. They got a huge menu set down here on the beach.
The coolest looking cocktails as well.
Yeah.
I wonder if they actually come in these glasses.
Only one way to find out, eh?
Yeah. Ooh, that sounds good. A maca crumble.
Yeah, they got a lot of good looking food.
Yeah. Ooh. Yummy.
Alright, so we ordered
some mocktails.
Yeah, 2 mocktails.
Which is a virgin pina colada, that's what it's called.
Virgin pina colada.
We're just sitting on the beach watching the sun go down.
I mean, it's so pretty. You have to check this out. How amazing is that?
So we wanted to share basically what happened to us yesterday, and we feel so blessed to have had this experience. So we got invited to a birthday party by one of the locals. So his family is here. So he's actually from he lives in Australia now, but he's originally from El Nido, and his family's here. He's got like 6 siblings. So we went to their house and we had basically the experience of a local's birthday party.
What an experience that was.
They had a pig on the,
Like
we
a
call it a
spit.
spit, but what do they call it? I forgot it. No, I forgot the name.
If you know the name of what's the pig called when you cook a pig here?
Yeah, well you got to turn it for
around.
hours. So he said he was doing it for about 5 hours. It had been cooking.
If you know the name, just let us know again in the bottom in the comments below.
So when we arrived, it was like he had food set out for, like it actually felt like we were nearly like it felt like we were at a restaurant. That's
Right,
how
yeah.
it had been set out for us.
There was so much food and desserts and
oh my
wow.
goodness, like the hospitality was just A plus. It wasn't even our birthday. I felt like they didn't have to go out their way to make us feel so special.
And the company, like everyone just wants to talk to you and get to know you, and
They were dancing. They
Wow.
had the karaoke.
I even sang a
He
bit.
never sings, and they got him to sing. It was just such a beautiful experience. Filipino people are probably my favorite people so far.
Yes,
They
yes,
are
they're amazing.
so fun and friendly, and they just welcome you so with open arms. And it was just, this is a memory that will stick with us forever, honestly. I learned that was really cool. So they have this way of drinking, right? So they have like, they get one big bottle of beer, and then they all have a glass, and then basically you go one by one. So you only have one glass, and you drink it, and then it's the next
And the person next to you has to wait for you. Or everyone is basically waiting for you to finish your drink, and then you can pass the glass on to the next person, and they must fill the beer up, and then they must drink, and it goes around and around. And if you take too long, everyone starts, like, I won't say fighting me, but
getting annoyed, like, come on, hurry up,
like, hurry up, I want to drink too, I'm thirsty.
So I thought that was very unique and different.
It was
like,
cool.
It's a very social way
Yeah.
of like drinking, and you're just waiting your turn. So that was very cool to learn. And they keep the food coming. So at first we had like all the dishes with desserts, and wow, the food here is so good.
We had a chicken modov.
No, not chicken. It was
a pork modov. Wow, that is amazing.
The flavors.
Yeah.
Oh. So growing up, we do like salty flavors. So like we love Thai food, but Thai food is different. It has like the different type of flavors. It's not really salty, so it doesn't accommodate to like our taste buds. Like it's good, don't get me wrong, but there was something about there's something about Filipino food that just hits my taste buds
it's
to
delicious.
the max.
It's
Oh,
so delicious.
it is so delicious. And then we finished that, and then a couple of hours later they brought us another soup with, it was all to do with the pig. So then they said that this was a special soup. I wish I could remember the names. I should have wrote it down.
Right.
But apparently that's supposed to help with headaches and everything for after drinking and stuff like that. Well, you know, the hangover. So that was nice. We tried that. Delicious. It had tamarind. It's like a tamarind pork soup. It was delicious.
It's very good.
And then the father brought us pork crackling. So my goodness, it was just coming and coming.
Food
and
after food, yeah, it's so good.
It was honestly from the bottom of
Very
my heart.
heartwarming.
It felt so special.
Yeah, it did.
It was really nice.
All right, so we have finally got our virgin pina coladas. How's it taste? It tastes good?
It's nice. I've already been drinking. So we've also ordered a Hawaiian pizza to share while the sun's going down.
That's so pretty.
Temperature's perfect as well.
It is. It's very lovely.
But we're surrounded by doggies. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Oh, no, okay. Now we're down to 3. What? Is it something we said? So we just got a pizza, wine, yeah.
It looks and smells so delicious.
And it's a proper oven pizza, which we haven't had in a while.
Yeah, it's been a while, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Can't wait to dig in.
Yeah.
Let's give it a go. Is it hot?
You want me to give you a slice?
Thank you.
You gotta wait for me. Good?
That's an amazing pizza. Wow.
So we've just finished our pizzas and now we're gonna go back to our room. So they do have like a bonfire that they'll have tonight, but our cameras, we don't really know how to do the low light really well. So we've decided just to end the video here, and if you guys come here, you can experience it for yourself. So in our next video, we are off to Karan. There we go. I was like, what's the name again? We're off to Karan, so we're super excited. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it really does help out our channel, and give it a like and leave a comment, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.